chart layout is more or less how you want it. It's time to start building a chart. From the Waypoint page, click on Waypoints List under the Navigation Data menu and search for the desired waypoint. Clicking on the waypoint ID takes you to the waypoint database. Click on the small chart icon to the right of the identifier to open the Runway Chart Details chart builder. Select the aircraft type and runway you want to edit. You can only edit one aircraft type and one runway at a time. Decide which aircraft type or types the images should apply to. You may want all of your runway charts for different aircraft types to have the same images, or you may want different images for different aircraft types. For example, you may want all fixed-wing aircrafts to use one set of images and helicopters to use a different set. Gray fields are pre-filled from the database, while white fields require you to manually add data, such as cautions or training notes. If you need to edit any of the data that is imported into the gray boxes, click the Runway Identifier pencil link to open the waypoint details where the changes can be made to the waypoint data or the runway data. If you can't remember the scope of a field, hover over the question mark. Data in the Runway Chart Details editor will be formatted according to the formatting you chose in the Chart Layout Builder. Or if the field has enhanced formatting, you have multiple options. The enhanced formatting has no table option. Build tables in the Chart Layout Builder using multiple custom fields. Import images from whatever image editor you use. You can either drag and drop or browse to insert your image files. Only one image each can be loaded into the overhead and profile image fields. If you delete an image, be sure to save before uploading a new image. Multiple images can be added in the Additional Images field. If you want to rearrange the additional images, first save the changes. Then use the Move/Rearrange buttons to drag and drop the photos into the order you want. The images will display vertically on the EFB. If you leave the Additional Images field in your chart layout blank, the blank field will be suppressed on the EFB. But if the overhead or profiled image fields are blank, the EFB will display the blank space with a No Image on File message. Be sure to save your changes before leaving the Chart Details page. After saving, several additional buttons appear. On the Chart Revisions list, the status will be marked Draft. When you are ready for review and approval, check the Submit Draft for Approval box and then save. The status will be changed to Pending. Also, a notification will be sent to the staff member with the Runway Chart Revisions Approved Permission for runways, or the Landing Zone Chart Revisions Approved Permission for LZs, included in one of their assigned staff roles. See the standard staff user roles video for details.